Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, we will discuss about Stabila Whitepaper, and our main focus is on Stabila Architecture. So the Stabila has three-layer architecture. So one is storage, second is core, and third is application. So the Stabila protocol is based on Google Protobuf, which allow multiple language extension by default. So this is supporting multiple language. So the next unique feature of this project is Stabila virtual machine. As you know that there are many virtual machines are available like Ethereum virtual machine, like Tron virtual machine, and that's called Stabila virtual machine. Ethereum virtual machine we call it EVM, and Tron virtual machine we call it TVM, and Stabila virtual machine we call SVM. So the SVM is a turning complete virtual machine that is lightweight. If you compare weight with Ethereum virtual machine, so Ethereum virtual machine has hard weight, so it is very lightweight. So it is the SVM is fully integrated into the current environment. So the next unique feature is decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchange features are built into Stabila network multiple trading pairs to make up decentralized exchange. A trade-off market between SRC10 tokens and SRC10 token and STB is referred to as the trading pair notation exchange. A trading pair between any tokens can be created by an account. So the Stabila blockchain code is written in Java language, and so basically we can call the initial a hard fork of Tron TVM. So next you can see is the delegated proof of stakes. Many new networks suggested to the proof of stake. So it's working on proof of stake technique. Okay. Every 3 seconds, the Stabila protocols network create a new block. So next is account. In the Stabila networks, there are three sort of account. Standard transactions are handled by regular account. SRC tokens are stored in token account, and contract account are basically smart account. So you can create your account using the API to create a new account, move STB to a different address, send any SRC10 token to new address. So you can read a difference between. Sorry, I just hold on. Okay, you can read the difference between private key and address generation. A private key and a public key can be used to create an offline key pairs. The user address generation algorithm begin with the creation of key pairs, following by extraction by public key 64 bytes and array represented XY coordinates. So you can just read it about it. Okay. So the next is transactions. So the public key is a point on elliptic curve, and while the private key is a random number. So Stabila use a typically ECD as a cryptographic method with an SECP256 KI selection curve for transaction signatures. So you just read about this. You can see it's a different other bandwidth point. There are two different sort of bandwidth credit. Users may earn bandwidth credit by generating contract of deposit with SDB, and there are also free 500 bandwidth point accessible every day. When an SDB transaction is broadcast, it is transferred and stored across the network as a byte array. So you can see the just giving the example of bandwidth point, and you can just read it. Okay, you can see different other features like fees. Most transactions on Stabila network are free. So if you do any transaction on Stabila network, so it says very less fee, almost free. Although bandwidth used the transaction are subjected to cost owning the system, constraint and fairness. So you can read different kinds of point. Transaction with normal bandwidth, cost bandwidth point. Smart contracts are not only expensive in terms of UCR, but they also require bandwidth point in order for transactions. Okay, so you need bandwidth point if you are doing any kind of transactions. and there is no charge of any query transactions. So Stabila networks also create set of determined fees for following transaction. For constructing an executive code, you need 1000 STB. Issuing a SRC10 token, you need 1000 STB. Creating a new account, you need 13,085 1385 units, and establishing a trading pair you need 14 STB. So you can see different kinds of its transactions confirmations. The transactions confirmations include in the future block it has broadcast to the network. The transaction is verified and respectively when Stabila networks mine 18 more blocks include its own block. On the blockchain, each block takes 3 seconds to mine. A transaction is verified in less than, so its transaction is very fast as compared to other networks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, just like and subscribe my channel for more videos. And in next video, we will discuss its other unique features. So thanks for watching, guys.